The Little Goose and the Duck's Stage. The forest animals built a wooden stage by the lake. They planned a big show for everyone to enjoy. Little Goose and Little Duck joined the singing group. Kitten and Puppy helped with lights and drums. The air was full of music and laughter. During practice, Duck sang with a clear, sweet voice. Everyone stopped to listen and clapped loudly. The teacher smiled, "Wonderful job, Duck." Goose smiled too, but her chest felt tight. She whispered, "I wish I could sing like that." After class, Goose sat under a willow tree. Kitten brought her some berries to cheer her up. "Duck is so good," Goose sighed sadly. Puppy said gently, "You're good too, just different." But Goose only kicked the grass and looked down. The next morning, Duck came running happily. "Let's practice together," she said kindly. Goose hesitated but nodded slowly. They sang by the lake, voices echoing softly. Goose's song was low and gentle like ripples. Kitten clapped, "That sounds beautiful." Duck smiled, "Your voice is calm and warm." Goose blinked in surprise. She had never thought her soft song could be special. For the first time, she felt light inside. They practiced every day by the lake. Birds perched on branches, listening quietly. Puppy played the drum softly to match their tune. Goose's confidence grew with every note. The day of the show was finally near. The meadow was bright with flowers and flags. All animals gathered around the wooden stage. Duck looked a little nervous this time. Goose held her wing and said, "We'll do this together." Duck smiled, feeling calm again. When the music started, Duck sang the melody. Goose joined with her gentle harmony. Kitten and Puppy kept the rhythm with joy. The sound of friendship filled the forest air. Everyone clapped and cheered in delight. After the song, Goose and Duck bowed together. Goose smiled wide, her heart full of pride. She didn't feel jealous anymore, only happy. Duck hugged her and whispered, "You made it perfect." The stage sparkled under the golden sunlight. That night, they sat by the quiet lake. The moonlight danced on the rippling water. Goose said softly, "I'm proud of us both." Duck nodded, "Friends shine brighter together." And they laughed as stars twinkled above them.